Hi everybody, welcome to the Freshfield Fitness Tai Chi Active YouTube channel. Today's session is one that's going to get you up, get you moving with those Tai Chi and Qigong movements. We have 20 minutes of exercises that are gentle and low impact, going to help improve your strength, balance, your mobility and enhance your overall well-being. It's a great home workout for anyone over 50, 60 or 70 years old looking to stay fit, healthy and active. So let's get started. Always listening to your body and keeping moves well within your comfort zone. Let's start with a warm-up, feet hip width apart, knocking on the door of life. We're turning from the waist. We want to concentrate on loosening the body, warming up. We're swinging the arms freely and just relaxing into the movement. Keeping the knees soft and hands on the hips, let's do hip circles. And changing direction. Rolling the shoulders forwards, up, round the back and down. Trying to release any stress, tension, stiffness we might feel in that upper body. And again, changing direction. Inhale as we bring the arms and stretch high, gently feeling that stretch through the body, and exhaling as the arms come down. Big breath in, reaching high and breathing out as the arms come down. Let's do one more. Okay, starting with our feet hip width apart, parallel stance. We're going to hold our chi ball. Breathe in as the arms come apart. Breathe out as the arms come together. We're lifting up through the crown. We are adding a sink of body weight through the legs into that knee bend, but keeping that posture nice and tall as we do so. Focus your mind on the moving hands, connecting mind to body. And breathing is breathing in, expanding the lungs as the arms come out, and breathing out as we come back to the center. This time we're moving on. We want to transfer the weight to one leg and tap into our empty stance. Bring ourselves back to the center. Let's sink into that knee bend and then repeat that transfer of body weight over to the other foot and tap the other leg in empty stance. Let's repeat this a few more times. Next time we're going to progress this move heel toe into our bow stance, pushing the ball forwards. Let's transfer the weight and bring it back to the middle and stay on the same side. So we're sinking that weight into our empty stance and pushing forwards into our bow stance, pushing the ball as well. This is our move. Let's do 2 more on this side. This time, exactly the same move, swapping over to the second side. Transferring about 70% of the weight forwards into our bow stance and really feel that connection with our body as we transfer the weight. It's deliberate and intentional. And staying here in the middle, breathing in and breathing out. Next time, I'd like you to transfer your weight to that empty stance. Heel toe into our bow stance, pushing the weight forwards. And we're going to stay here as we rock back and forwards with that body weight, pushing our ball around in a big circle, using the waist to make those arms circle round in that motion. Nice and fluid. Calm, and again connecting our mind to body by focusing on those moving hands. Finally bringing it back to the center so we can repeat on the other side. So we're transferring the weight over to the other foot, tapping into empty stance, heel toe into our bow stance. Circle around, using the waist to power that arm movement and push forwards like we're moving our hands through water, a natural resistance to this move. Returning once more to center, and we're just going to alternate those steps to our bow stance. So transfer the weight over, tap into empty stance, push forwards into bow stance and push the ball, bring it back to the middle. And let's repeat on the other side. So breathing in, breathing out. We're transferring the weight across to the other foot, tapping here, empty stance, push into our bow stance, and then bring the ball back to the center. Let's repeat this again a few more times on each side. Staying in the middle now with that sink into our horse stance as we add a turn of the ball round in a big circle, pushing these hands together as we sink. Circle, inhale, push, exhale. And let's repeat that move a few times here. This time we're going to add that transfer of weight over to one foot and again sink into our empty stance. Let's stay on the same side and transfer the weight again. So we're continuing to circle that ball, breathing in as it circles, breathing out as we sink. Hold the hands here as we transfer onto the other foot to repeat on the other side. Circle again, breathing in, sinking down, breathing out, and circle, standing on one foot, empty stance. Changing direction, and this time we're going to add that heel toe into our bow stance, stroking the horse's mane, bringing ourselves back to the middle, and again we'll repeat that on the same side. Sink into our empty stance, stroking the horse's mane to bow stance, bringing it back to the middle. Let's do 2 more here. Turning that ball so we're ready with the other hand on top and ready for the second side. We're transferring the weight to empty stance, heel toe into our bow stance, stroking the horse's mane. Now we've done that movement on one side each, we're going to alternate between each side. So turning our hands so that we've got one hand on top of the ball, we're transferring the weight into our empty stance, into our bow stance, stroking the horse's mane, and then bring that top hand onto the top of the ball, and we're ready to repeat on the other side. Empty stance, stroking the horse's mane to bow stance. Top hand stays on top of the ball. Really try and connect mind to body again, following that striking hand forwards and being mindful of our movement, that intentional and deliberate transfer of body weight. Smooth and steady, nice and flowing and fluid, and just enjoy that movement. This time returning to center, holding the ball to the chest, breathing in, arms out, breathing in, arms back. We're going to bring the hands down, bring the ball to the sky, gently stretching through the body and release that stretch. So we're bringing the hands low, taking them high, stretch through the body gently and relaxing as we release those hands down. Let's do that 2 more times. This time we're going to go into a forward bend. So tuck the chin to our chest, roll down slowly just to wherever feels comfortable for you. And then sucking your belly button through the spine to bring ourselves up with the core engaged. Slowly, one bit at a time, bringing the head up last. Hold the ball. Let's repeat that one more time. Slowly does it with this forwards bend, just to wherever feels comfortable. And then sucking that belly button up through the spine to bring ourselves back up to standing. Head comes up last. Holding the ball, let's breathe in and breathe out. Circle the arms round for gathering the chi, breathing ourselves down, back to hold the ball, breathing in and breathing out, gathering the chi. And the final time, gathering the chi, bringing our hands to our heart to close the session. I hope you've enjoyed today's Tai Chi session, and if you have, do remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and that way you won't miss any of the new sessions that I upload every week. I hope to see you soon. Bye.